everyone! Welcome to How to Mix Colors for Kids. Today, we are going to learn all about primary colors, secondary colors, tertiary colors. Are you ready to dive into a rainbow of fun? Let's go! First, let's start with primary colors. These are the colors that cannot be made by mixing other colors together. Can you guess what they are? That's right! The primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. These colors are the building blocks for all other colors. Now, when we mix two primary colors together, we get secondary colors. Let's see what happens when we mix them. Red mixed with blue gives us purple. Let's go to the next colors. Yellow mixed with blue gives us green. Let's go to the next colors. Yellow mixed with red gives us orange. Isn't that cool? These are called secondary colors. But wait, there's more. If we mix a primary color with a secondary color, we get tertiary colors. Yellow, which is a primary color, mixed with green, which is a secondary color, gives us a brighter green. Let's go to the next colors. Blue, which is a primary color, mixed with green, which is a secondary color, gives us a lighter shade of blue. Let's go to the next colors. Blue, which is a primary color, mixed with purple, which is a secondary color, gives us violet color. Let's go to the next colors. Red, which is a primary color, mixed with purple, which is a secondary color, gives us magenta color. Let's go to the next colors. Red, which is a primary color, mixed with orange, which is a secondary color, gives us a lighter shade of red. Let's go to the next colors. Yellow, which is a primary color, mixed with orange, which is a secondary color, gives us a darker shade of yellow. These colors are called tertiary colors. They add so many beautiful shades to our world. Wow! We've learned so much today about primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. Now you know how all the colors around us are made. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe for more content. Thank you. Love you all.